Good morning, friends. Welcome back. This is the update on the grass. The grass is looking much better than last time I cut it. And everything is beautiful again. Everything is nicer. Look at my leaving edge. Guys, I make all those things from cuttings. I wish I would take them with me when I'm leaving because I stopped making cuttings. I mean, I don't have none. Yeah, I would take them with me because look at this leaving edge. It's a beautiful leaving edge I make from little tiny cutting. Look at it. This garden is beautiful.